I'm probably going to sleep in here once they're finished. We're here, and it's time to start building my dream workshop. But this has been a dream in the making for really probably my entire life, but definitely for the last few years that we've been on this beautiful plot of land. So this is going to be my workshop and my bullet reloading lab. Alan's is going to get this done in the next day or two, and by this weekend I'll be able to come in here, and I'm probably going to sleep in here once they're finished. Very anxious to get this started and get this done, so I'm very excited. As you can see, these guys are making good progress so far, and I'm seeing this and it's starting to take shape in my head with stuff that I can do and toys I can get. I'm gonna have fun with this. This is gonna be not only something that I've needed, but something that I want. It's hard to really picture what the final product looks like, and I'm just thrilled with it. There's one thing that I haven't mentioned during this process that I changed very late in the process, which was really nice because it was easy to do because of Alan's was really easy to work with. In order to have these 10-foot doors, I had to have 11-foot sidewalls. And for very little more, I could go 12-foot sidewalls. And I'm really glad I did that, because when I walk in here and see how spacious it is, that extra foot makes a big difference. And it's gonna make it a big difference because I'm gonna build a room inside of here. And on top of that room, I'm going to add a storage area for, I think, Christmas decorations in particular will go there. And there's gonna be even more room above that room to put that seasonal stuff. So there's gonna be a ton of storage up there. So I'm really glad that I made that decision, and I'm even more glad that it was really easy to make. But overall, and I can't wait to finish it out and make it mine.